Shares more about the case and breaks down the lawsuit.
We represent an incredible, hardworking family who trusted these companies to provide a reasonably safe community for them to live in, for their daughter to live in. And those companies betrayed them.
Randy Maurice Foster, Kernan Owner LLC, Brighton Real Estate Partners, Asset Living, and DM Cohen Landscaping are all listed in the lawsuit claiming background check failures that led to the sexual assault of a 12-year-old. The lawsuit says the victim lived with her family at Mirage on Kernan when the assault happened, and that Foster was employed by the landscaping company that worked at the complex. The lawsuit also says he is a registered sex offender with an extensive violent criminal history and that the defendants failed to complete adequate background checks on Foster, which led to the grooming behavior and sexual assaults of the victim. The victim's mother spoke at a news conference this afternoon, but she didn't want to be identified.
For my family, every time we pass this location, a painful reminder of the moment that changed our lives forever. Trauma does not simply disappear. It follows you.
I called the complex ahead of the news conference announcing this lawsuit, but they hung up on me.
Cindy, my name is Ariel Schiller with News for Jax. I'm covering a story today where someone is announcing a civil lawsuit against your property, claiming, is there someone that we could talk with at your...
We came out to the property to try to talk to someone in person. I spoke with a property manager who didn't want to go on camera. She shared with me that a property management company that's currently taking care of the property took over a year ago and is not the property management company listed in the lawsuit. I also tried contacting the landscaping company only to find out that it's permanently closed. I tried calling that number that's listed and it just keeps ringing and ringing. I've also sent messages to Brighton Real Estate, the company associated with Kernan Owner LLC, and Foster's attorney. I haven't heard back just yet, but the victim's attorneys say the property management companies have been non-responsive.
I will continue to speak out until meaningful action is taken, because silence allowed this to happen again. And that is something I refuse to accept.
In Jacksonville, Ariel Scheller, Channel 4, the local station.
Foster's currently in jail facing criminal charges for this case. A pretrial hearing is scheduled for March 5th.